Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Gmail account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Gmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your preferred browser, guys, on this interface at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. There will be a search bar for you as well. Click over there and enter the address gmail.com like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Gmail over here. Now in order to proceed to log into your account, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll be required to enter the email address of your Gmail account which you had registered at the time of creating your account, and click on next. And on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your account, whichever may it be. And after entering your password, click on the next button over here, and after the verification process of your account, either the two-factor authentication or notification on your phone, you will be logged into your Gmail account from over here. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Gmail account's password. And with that being said, guys, landing over here, enter your password, click on the next button, and you'll be logged into your Gmail account from over here. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Gmail account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.